The first piece of advice I'm going to give you can make a really big difference to how confident you feel in your eyeshadow look. And it's very simple. It's to apply your makeup first. And when I say apply your makeup first, I mean build your look first. So your foundation, your concealer, if you choose, your mascara and your lipstick. Everything that you would typically wear that makes you feel confident and comfortable in your makeup. Then you're going to apply your eyeshadow over the top so you can really test out the balance of the intensity of the eyeshadow look. So for example, if you're wearing a really bold lip, you might want to not apply so much eyeshadow, and vice versa. If you're wearing quite a neutral lip, you could go a little bit more heavier on the eyeshadow look. By applying your eyeshadow last of all, it's going to really help you get a sense of how much you want to apply. If you struggle with blending eyeshadow, this tip really makes eyeshadow blending very, very easy. It's very simple. You're just going to take some translucent powder and you're going to take a cotton pad or some tissue, and you're going to place the cotton pad or tissue under your eye like so. You're just going to hold it there, and then you're going to apply the translucent powder all over your lid. And what this does is it creates a lovely base for your eyeshadow to sit on, but it also means when you come to blend those colours together so they all look seamless and beautifully like professional looking, it helps the blend go a little bit more seamless and smoother. So I'm going to do that now. Tap off excess, and then I'm going to simply apply the loose powder to my lid. And the reason I'm putting the pad here is it's going to stop any powder fallout on my under eye. I'm going to be using this palette, but you could do this same technique with any of the eyeshadow that you already own at home. Essentially what you're looking for is a pale shade and a dark shade. The next thing I'm going to ask you to do is to take your ring finger and make sure it's clean. And the reason we use this finger is because it has a really light touch. By having a light touch, we can apply a little and build up the intensity. So with my ring finger now, I'm going to dab it into this lighter shade here. Now you could use your makeup brushes, but I've designed this tutorial for people that may not have eyeshadow brushes at home. If you're worried about applying too much at once, take your finger and tap off excess onto the back of your hand. Now place your finger into the middle of your eyelid and simply tap the shadow on. And it's these little tapping motions that's going to build up the intensity of that shadow. So I'm putting the colour all over my lid, but I'm not taking it into the socket here. It's just going all over my lid. Wipe your fingers with a clean cloth. Then take your pinky finger or your ring finger, and this time you're going to choose a deeper colour. I'm going to go for this colour here, and I'm going to dab this just about 1/2 centimetre before the outer corner of my eye here, and I'm also going to dab it 1 centimetre in from the inner part of my eye here. Let me show you. And it's simply a little stamp of colour here. Again, don't worry about blending, you're just stamping the colour on. This time the colour can go slightly up and into your socket here. So you can see a definite colour. Don't worry that it doesn't look good yet, because I'm going to show you how you can really easily blend it together to create a beautiful eyeshadow look. I'm going to take my pinky finger, and now I'm going to apply this about 1 centimetre inwards from the inner corner of my eye. And again, it can go a little bit into the socket. Just going to dab and press that colour on. So what you're left with is almost a zebra effect to your eyeshadow, where it goes dark, light, dark, light. This is the really exciting part, because now we're going to blend it all together to give a really beautiful smoky look. So you want to make sure your fingers are clean, and you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to very softly place it in the middle of your eye, and you're going to gently go backwards and forwards very, very softly to blend all the colours together. Now, because you've put the loose powder underneath, that helps the kind of ease of blend. Now, if you want to go and tidy up, then you simply get a Q-tip and you neaten up any edges. Blending is that easy. If you've blended and you think, actually, I want to intensify it just a little bit more, then all you do is go back and apply a touch more. So this is the finished look, and I hope these tips really help you with your eyeshadow if you're a makeup novice and you just want to build your confidence in wearing eyeshadow again. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you soon in another video. Bye.